Good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss exercise 5.2, which is based on PyChart data handling. So let's discuss first question. So first one is, a survey was made to find a type of music that a certain group of young people liked in a city. Adjoining PyChart shows the finding of this survey. So here a PyChart is given: semi-classical music 20%, classical music 10%, folk music 30%, and light music 40%. So here from this pie chart we have to answer the following. First one is, if 20 people liked classical music, how many young people were surveyed? So here given percentage was 20% and number of people is 20. So here so let total number of people surveyed be X. Now according to question, classical music percentage was 10%. So 10% of X is equal to 20 people is equal to 20. Now 10% means 10 by 100 into of means into is equal to 20. Now X by 10 is equal to 20. So X equal to 20 into 10 is equal to 200. That means total number of people surveyed was 200. Now see the next question. Which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people? So from the given pie chart, we can say that light music was the type of music liked by the maximum number of people was light music. Now third question, if a cassette company were to make 1000 CDs, how many of each type would they make? Now see number 3 was, so here total number of cassette was 1000. So here semi-classical 20%. 20% of 1000 CD. 20% means 20 by 100 into 1000. 0 cancel out. 200 CD. 200 cassette semi-classical. So in this way classical 10%. 10% of 1000. 10 by 100 into 1000. So 100 CD classical. So in this way we can calculate how many number of CDs have to make by the cassette company. So I think remaining part you can do yourself. Let's move on to the question number 2. A group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season from the 3 seasons, rainy, winter and summer. Which season got the most vote? So from the given table we can say that winter season got the most vote. Find the central angle of each sector. So this part we have to find out the central angle. So here we have to make a table. First season, number of vote, season, number of votes, and fraction and central angle. So here season are given that summer, rainy, winter. Summer, rainy, winter. And in summer season 90 vote, rainy season 120, and the winter season 150. So here total 360. So fraction 90 by 360 1 by 4, and rainy season 120 by 360, 1 by 3, and winter 150 by 360, 5 by 12. Therefore central angle 1 by 4 into 360 degree, because there is 360 degree in a circle. So 4 9s are 36, 90 degree. 1 by 3 into 360 degree, 120 degree. 5 by 2 into 360 degree. Oh sorry, 5 by 12. 150 degree. So draw a pie chart to show this information. Now we have to draw a pie chart. So first draw a circle. First one is 90 degree. First from the center to the circle join a line. Then by using protector draw a angle of 90 degree. So this one is 90 degree. 90 degree was summer. So this one is summer. Next 120 degree. Make an angle of 120 degree by using protector, and this one is rainy. And the remaining was winter. Now set the part in different way. So this one is a pie chart. Now number 3, draw a pie chart showing the following information. The table shows the colors blue, green, red and yellow, and the number of people is given. So I think 3, 4 and 5 you can do yourself. So 3, 4 and 5 is homework for you. Thank you.